Hello dear students, today I am present in front of you with a new topic trait and type WH Sheldon's classification. So you are watching on figure that we have to read about the classification of different types of body. So first of all you have to read about the WH Sheldon's classifications. So dear student, before starting this topic, I have already taught you types of personality, dimension of personality. You have completed your work, you have read the board topic and noted down on your notebook. Now today you have to read about the trait and type, WH Sheldon classifications. So basically in this classification you have to read about the ectomorph, endomorph, mesomorph, three body type categories you have to read in this topic. So classification by William Herbert Sheldon. In fact, the success of an athlete or sport persons come from a combinations of athletic ability and physics or body build. W. H. Sheldon classification personality of individual into the following categories which are stated subsequently. So first of all, endomorph, mesomorph and then ectomorph. So you are watching the endomorph body type. So endomorph, these individuals have short arms and legs. They have rounded physiques. Their limbs seems to be shorter because of excessive depositions of adipose tissues. The upper parts of the arms and legs are significantly thicker than the lower part. It is hard for them to lose weight. They have soft body. They have underdeveloped muscles. They have a capacity for high fat storage and become fat easily. So in fact, they are more inclined and to become obese. They have pear-shaped body. Their excessive mass hinder their ability to compete in sports. In fact, sport require high level of agility or speed. Sports and games which require strength like weightlifting and powerlifting are most suitable for the endomorph types of the body. So like these people they can more suitable for the like weightlifting, powerlifting, wrestling, like these activities they can participate. Next update about the mesomorph. So mesomorph are categorized as in between the other two body types and generally described as muscular. They have athletic physiques and balanced body compositions. They are able to increase their muscle size quickly and easily. They have well developed rectangular shaped body. They have thick bones and muscles. Their chest and shoulders are larger and broader in comparison to their waistline. They are physically capable of doing a lot of activity and tend to be athletically aggressive. Generally, they store fat evenly all over their bodies, but they can become overweight if they lead sedentary lifestyle and take high calorie diet. They can excel in such a sport which require great strength, short bursts of energy and lots of power because they have enough strength, agility and speed. These characteristics make them strong contenders to be the top sport person in any sport. So these are the very good categories of the body types. Next, last you have to read about the ectomorph. So ectomorph, the individual who have an ectomorph body are usually referred to as slim persons because their muscles and limbs are elongated. They have big constitutions of body and usually face great difficulties in gaining weight. They have flat chest and have less muscle mass. The lack of muscle mass create the impression that they are taller than they are really are. They do not have a lot of strength but they dominate the endurance sport because their body type is naturally suited to perform the wonderfully in endurance activities. They have a quick metabolism to burn fat. They also have a tendency to stick with what they do best. Their light body constitution make them suited for the aerobic activities like gymnastics. So, dear student, we have read about the three types of the body: endomorph, mesomorph, ectomorph. I think that we have understood these all kinds of the body types and these all categories we have read. So, we have to make short note about the WS London classifications, and you have to complete your work and revise this topic. Okay, thank you. Bye.